Welcome to another DIY garden project with GrowJoy. I'm your host, Chris Stutzman, and today we are going to be building a Topsy Turvy flower planter. Let's go over the materials you're going to need. First up, we have a 6-foot piece of rebar. It is half an inch thick. We've pre-measured this. We are going to be pounding this 26 inches into the ground to prevent any of it from sticking out from the planters. The pots that we're going to be using today, we have a 10-inch terracotta pot back here. We have 4 8-inch pots, and then we have a 6-inch pot that is going to be going on top. We have our soil over here, and then we're going to be using this mallet to pound the rebar in. And then the plants that we are going to be using today are some Sweetheart Red sweet potato vines and some New River bougainvillea. So let's get started. guys, thanks for watching our video. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and stay up to date on all the new videos we post. As always, thank you guys, and we appreciate you. See you next time.